Hey guys, this is the Echo HC-2020. It's a 21.2 cc two-stroke gas-powered hedge trimmer with a 20-inch blade. $300, but since the box was opened, I was able to just kind of do that. I saved $50 on an open box thing, and everything was it looks like it wasn't even used. There was like a little residual gas in the tank, so maybe someone started it, but what comes with it is a 2.6 ounce two-stroke oil. You add this to 1 gallon of gas for a 50-to-1 ratio, in your operator's manual and the safety manual. And so yeah, I was totally fine with saving $50 and getting a open box, and I haven't started it yet. So we're gonna do that on camera, and we're gonna see if everything is good here. But as you can see, this thing is it's very clean. You have your kill switch here, on off, choke, on off, safety, throttle, air filter, easy access. They say the engine is kind of mounted on like an anti-vibration thing, so that's kind of cool. We'll see how that works in use. These blades are ridiculously sharp, and you could probably get in almost about an inch diameter little branch or hedge if you need to. So I'm super stoked. I have a lot of hedges on my house. I have some hedges that need to be done for other people, and yeah, so I've been wanting this for a while and finally did it. It'll last. I mean, Echo makes good stuff, so they say use 89 or higher octane with like minimal ethanol. So if you could get 0 ethanol gas, that's obviously the best. What I have here is just a gallon of 87, and it is, they say 10% or less ethanol. You mix 2.6 ounces into a gallon of gas, and you get a 50-to-1 ratio of gas to oil. You should probably do this in a ventilated area, but we've done worse. And we're gonna fill it up and see if it starts easily. The tank size, oh my goodness. Sorry, but good thing the cover was on it. The tank size, I'm not too sure, but it'll get you probably 45 to an hour of runtime, full throttle, maybe a little less. When I worked for a landscaping company, he had these, and these things were badass. So very happy I was able to get one for personal and business use. All right. I have an old Craftsman that I bought off Craigslist. Let me actually show you guys. I bought this off Craigslist from a lady, and she said, oh, barely used. Dude, this thing is from like 1999. But all I had to do was change out the fuel lines. I just replaced the fuel lines because they were cracked. And it works decent. Obviously, it's nowhere near as nice as the Echo. So, I mean, it gets the job done, but it kind of stalls out with different angles and stuff. So you're not going to get that with the more expensive unit. And we're going to turn the choke on, so that means down here. We're going to prime it, says about 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that barely kind of got the gas through this, so let's do a few more times. 6, 7, 8. I think it actually said 8 times. So 8 times. Choke on, kill switch off. So we're gonna run position, and let's see if it starts. gas. A little prime, maybe another prime, gas. I'm going to turn the choke off. And that's it. A quick start up here. Run switch up, choke off. Sweet. Yeah, they say these blades should not move when it's an idle, so they did not, and don't touch them because they're sharp as fuck. All right, guys, enjoy.